Hi guys, welcome to my channel Loveys Vlogs. Today we are gonna see how to make Kasuri Murgh Masala. Now take 600 grams of chicken, add a spoon of turmeric, add 1 tablespoon salt, add 1.5 spoon of crushed pepper, add thinly sliced chilies, now add 6 to 7 tablespoons of curd, now add a quarter spoon of kasuri methi and mix it well. Now marinate it for 60 minutes. Now after the chicken is marinated, you can keep the vessel for heating. Now once the vessel is hot, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add cinnamon, cloves and elaichi. Allow it to fry for a while. Now once the spices are fried, add onion and allow it to fry till it becomes golden brown. Now once the onions are fried, you can add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree and allow it to cook. Now add the chicken and fry it for a while. Now add chili powder, now add garam masala, now add coriander powder, now after cooking it for a while, add cashew nut paste and mix it well and allow it to cook until the oil separates. Now you can see that the Kasuri Murgh Malai chicken masala is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.